We finally found it. We'll have to rebuild almost everything.
Clear every piece before washing. Dry every corner before inspection. The cabin needs a complete restoration. Don't miss the roof seams. Keep the grinder moving.
This restoration will take everything we've got.
Record everything before moving it. Coving it.
This damage is worse than expected.
The interior is beyond repair, but we'll save what we can.
Easy, keep it straight.
Secure the frame, not the body.
Mark every section that needs replacement. Let's bring this legend back to life.
The damage is becoming clearer.
Lift slowly, watch the frame. Everything is ready for the first wash. The bolts are completely seized. Start with the loose corrosion. Lift together, keep it level. This engine hasn't run in decades.
Every panel stays labeled. Tomorrow, we begin removing every trace of rust.
There's solid metal underneath.
Every damaged panel will be repaired. Separate every reusable part.
Start from the roof. These doors need complete rebuilding.
Careful, don't damage the wiring.
The floor needs major repairs.
Label every connector before removal. Double check every connection. Chains secured. Begin lifting slowly.
Keep it level, steady.
Now the rebuild begins.
Everything must be repaired before reassembly. Inspect every internal component.
Every part will be restored or replaced.
Let's bring these parts back to life.
Everything measures within repair limits.
Torque everything to specification.
Install the new valve seals carefully.
The engine is ready for testing.
These suspension parts are completely worn out. Front suspension complete. Everything moves smoothly now.
Repair the metal before replacing anything.
Only remove what cannot be saved.
Apply only a thin layer. Match every factory contour perfectly.
Check the panel alignment.
The roof is finally becoming solid.
Strong welds, no gaps.
Blend every repair seamlessly.
Feel the surface with your hand.
Apply only a thin layer. Fix every flaw before coating. Prepare every panel for primer.
The body is ready for primer tomorrow. Final surface preparation complete. Primer coverage looks good. Ready for the color coat. Light, even coats. Smooth every panel. First coat complete. Beautiful color coverage. Clear coat flowing perfectly. The finish looks flawless. Now it's starting to come back to life. Lower slowly. Perfect alignment.
Double check every connection.
Everything fits perfectly. Front suspension complete. Glass alignment looks perfect. It's finally standing again.
The cabin feels brand new. Restoration complete. Everything works exactly as it should. Panel gaps are factory perfect. She's alive! Final alignment complete.
Every detail meets factory standards.
The finish is absolutely flawless. Let's show the world what we restored. Everything feels perfect.
What an incredible transformation.
Every hour was worth it.
Factory finish achieved.
Listen to that engine.
Great teamwork, everyone.
Everything is ready. One final polish. Every detail is perfect. It drives like new.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next restoration.